How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Paul's Alright Cooking Show. Today we're making your basic burger. You got your bacon, you got your buns, you got your onions, we got your all-American beef patties. First thing we're gonna do is cut up the onions. We're gonna throw them into the pot. Let's get started. So everybody has their take on a delicious burger. They try to do all this fancy humbo jumbo stuff with it. I like to keep mine simple, pristine, and delicious.
What you cooking?
Fucking
You doing what?
I'm doing something, dude.
Doing what?
I'm fucking filming a thing, man.
Alright, ladies.
Yeah, that's my fucking roommate, Jeff, dude. He's fucking always nosing into my shit.
He called me Jeff? That's not even my real name. This guy calls himself a cook, dude. He can't even fucking cook like a bowl of cereal, dude. This guy sucks. Is this his beer? Fuck it.
Alright, and we're back. So, what I got here is the onions. They're caramelizing in the pot. And I'm trying to get a nice little...
Yo, Paul, you have any more beer? Oh, found it.
Don't bother me when I'm cooking. Just don't bother me when I'm cooking.
Now that we got a nice caramelization on the onions, the trick is to cook your patties in bacon fat. I know what you're thinking. It's a lot of grease, but it's gonna make your patties rich and delicious. Oh, hey there. So, our burgers are ready to be built. Got my buns all laid out. Patties are all done. I'm gonna scoop them up, put them on the bun. Let's get the...
Yo, Paul, you still filming your cooking show?
Fucking comes here and bothers me. I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. I swear to fucking God. What the
Dude, what are you doing? You stabbed me, man. You really stabbed me.
Sorry folks for the inconvenience. We're gonna have to take a quick commercial break.